everybody, Ali Flores again here with OrlandoVacation.com, and have we got another fun video for you. This one is all about where to stay. So, if you're planning on visiting Disney World, Kissimmee hotels offer the best value if you want to stay near the magic. There are 378 hotels in Kissimmee with a range of amenities. But first, if you haven't done this yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can get notified of new and helpful videos for planning your next Orlando vacation. Disney World first opened on October 1st, 1971. Soon after the opening, the sleepy little town of Kissimmee started to boom. Up and down State Route 192 hotels, shops, fruit stands, and diners were popping up all over the place. These hotels were the first hotels built around Disney World. Recently, many of these hotels have been purchased by new ownership groups, and they're being remodeled and returned to their past glory. In addition to many Kissimmee hotels being remodeled, there are also many new hotels and resorts popping up all over Kissimmee. Some great hotels in Kissimmee include Wyndham Orlando Resort and Conference Center Celebration Area. This hotel features a variety of amenities including free Wi-Fi, an on-site restaurant, a 30,000 square foot conference center, a swimming pool, Topgolf, swing suites, kids playground, and a Starbucks coffee shop. Each 434 beautifully renovated guest rooms is appointed with modern amenities and comfortable furnishings including walk-in showers, 43-inch HD TVs, in-room safes, coffee makers, and refrigerators. Parking is free, and a complimentary theme park shuttle is also available. Red Lion. The Red Lion Lake Buena Vista Hotel with water park includes brand new renovations. The huge selling feature of this hotel is obviously the extremely nice pool area, complete with a water slide and a lazy river. But with all the activities around for the kids to enjoy, you can't just choose one. The average nightly rate at a hotel in Kissimmee is about $130 a night. The cheapest hotel rates can be found under $40 for a 2-star hotel and as much as $228 for a 4-star hotel room in Margaritaville. To save on price, travel during the off-peak season. Anytime kids are out of school, such as summertime, Easter, Christmas, or spring break, that's peak season. Stay during the week. The weekend rates are going to be 20% to 30% higher. If you can travel to Kissimmee Sunday through Thursday, you could save yourself as much as 30% off your hotel room. Book a Disney World package deal. By combining your theme park tickets with your Kissimmee hotel, we can offer you bundle pricing, which could save you as much as an additional 7%. Book your room early. The rates of hotel rooms go up as the hotel starts to fill up, so book a vacation to Orlando early and you're gonna save. Nearly every hotel in Kissimmee charges a nightly resort fee. These fees are typically paid by the guests at check-in, and they range from $7 per night to as much as $50 per night, depending upon the amenities the hotel offers. Be sure to check the fine print before booking your room so you know exactly what these fees are going to be. Here at OrlandoVacation.com, we promise to make sure we highlight all fees to our guests. Nobody likes hidden charges, and our goal is to provide the best customer service possible to you and your family. In addition to resort fees, some hotels charge for parking and Wi-Fi service. These fees should all be outlined in the fine print before booking. If you are looking to stay in Kissimmee, Florida, you will have many great choices regarding where you want to stay. Kissimmee offers brand new hotels and older hotel rooms as well. There are a few Kissimmee resorts such as Hilton Mystic Dunes, The Grove, and Hilton Leaky Tiki Resort. Plus, there are many Kissimmee vacation homes that are extremely popular with guests looking to visit Disney World. If you have any questions about what hotels we offer in Kissimmee, please feel free to give us a call toll-free or use our online chat feature. We have Orlando-based customer service agents waiting to assist you. All right, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.